Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kertong MP Keseng Kongres Natura Parliamentary Constituency usaleng Sangma. Ulaong bahaga na kagenti ka jingwan kinong tebvot ban pendep yala ka kamram ban jit ikinong tauan kala banday ka dakkashin bakikwa ban yoi ya ka jingkla. Habakren hadin baula pendep ya ka jing tebvot ha Gambegere West Garo Hills usaleng ubalongru UMLA ka Gambegere ulaong baula de ban pensnguto ikipat ba halor ki babun ki mat ki jura ki biadei bat ki election ulaong ru baula thep vote yala de henry ne kabenta ki nong songsnong jongkarilom garu habakli ka ka baula ban snguto na gajingmi ki pat ba ban thep vote ulaong bau yei ba ki pat ba ki kham songshit ban mi ban pendep yala ka kamram ulaong ru bale si ka jingmi jong ki pat ba kalong namar ba ki kwa ban yei ya ka jingkala Shishu laong bahaki election MP ki ba menswa ki pat ba kim joda kami ban tap vote. Habakli lakani ka jingmi jong ki pat ba nong tap vote kan yarap yu ban poi syakatong usaleng uong bakala ban long kumta bat kala ban long ru namar usyanya abed hagamon jong ublay.
I've casted. I feel good actually. I really feel good. And then since everyone is voting, I myself has turned out to vote, not for myself but for the people of Garo Hills.
And what is the takeaway of this election? What do you think has been the best thing that has happened for this election? It's a free and fair election. Everyone has wanted that to happen. It has been India's record for having free and fair elections. And you have cast your vote. There are a lot of people all around. Are you optimistic of the results?
Yeah, very much actually. Since we have already made people aware about their rights and then the dominance by the other side. So if the people can come out, from their slumber about how it has been doing for a very, very long time, and moreover, we try to make the best for the people by making them aware of what is happening around, and then about the developmental things also, and about the situation that is going on within India.
How has been the turnout? Because it is almost touching 50% over here in your own area where the polling station we are right now standing outside, and all over Garo the percentage has been rising. Is it a favorable response that you are looking at?
Yeah, I think so. I think there people enthusiastic right now coming to vote is maybe they really need a change. Maybe that's the reason why people are coming out to vote right now. And then moreover, I didn't see much voters turning out especially for this Lok Sabha election, but this time it seems like people are more eager and then enthusiastic for the voting.
And you believe this high turnout is favorable for your candidature?
If God willing. Maybe not, you can't say, because but I believe in him actually. Maybe that's the reason why people are coming out and then trying to reveal what really they wanted also.